अंग्रेजी कैसे सीखें? हाउ टू लर्न इंग्लिश। हाउ टू लर्न इंग्लिश। अंग्रेजी कैसे बोलें? हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश। हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश। ये इतना भी मुश्किल नहीं है। इट इज़ नॉट दैट डिफ़िकल्ट। इट इज़ नॉट दैट डिफ़िकल्ट। अब शुरू करते हैं। लेट अस स्टार्ट नाउ। लेट अस स्टार्ट नाउ। बस मेहनत करते रहना। जस्ट कीप वर्किंग हार्ड। जस्ट कीप वर्किंग हार्ड। छोटे वाक्य बनाओ। मेक स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस। मेक स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस। तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? मेरा नाम अमित है। My name is Amit. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? मैं छठी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। I study in class 6. I study in class 6. क्या तुम सरकारी स्कूल में पढ़ते हो? डू यू स्टडी इन अ गवर्नमेंट स्कूल? डू यू स्टडी इन अ गवर्नमेंट स्कूल? हाँ, मैं सरकारी स्कूल में पढ़ता हूँ। यस, आई स्टडी इन अ गवर्नमेंट स्कूल। यस, आई स्टडी इन अ गवर्नमेंट स्कूल। तुम्हारे पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं? What is your father's occupation? What is your father's occupation? वह एक अध्यापक हैं। He is a teacher. He is a teacher. तुम्हारे परिवार में और कौन-कौन है? Who else is there in your family? Who else is there in your family? हम दो भाई बहन हैं। We are two siblings. We are two siblings. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? मैं शास्त्री नगर में रहता हूँ। I live in शास्त्री नगर। I live in शास्त्री नगर। तुम्हारा पसंदीदा विषय कौन सा है? Which is your favorite subject? Which is your favorite subject? मुझे इतिहास की किताबें पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है। I like reading history books. I like reading history books. क्या तुम्हारा कोई दोस्त है? Do you have any friend? Do you have any friend? महेश मेरा खास दोस्त है। महेश is my best friend. महेश is my best friend. वह मेरी कक्षा में पढ़ता है। He studies in my class. He studies in my class. क्या तुम मेरे दोस्त बनोगे? Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? तुम दिखने में एक अच्छे इंसान लगते हो। You seem to be a nice person. You seem to be a nice person. मैं हमेशा अपना वादा निभाता हूँ। I always keep my promise. I always keep my promise. ये तो केवल वक्त बताएगा। Only time will tell. Only time will tell. चलो अब घर चलें। Let's go home now. Let's go home now. थोड़ा चलने पर बाएं मुड़ जाना। Walk a little and turn left. Walk a little and turn left. उसे गाड़ी चलाना नहीं आता। He doesn't know how to drive. He does not know how to drive. फिक्र मत करो, मैं उसे सिखा दूंगा. Don't worry, I will teach him. Don't worry, I will teach him. मैं तुम्हारी शक्ल नहीं देखना चाहता. I don't want to see your face. I don't want to see your face. मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूं. I am asking you something. I am asking you something. मुझे किसी तरह पता चल गया. I somehow got to know about it. I somehow got to know about it. किताब तकिए के नीचे है. The book is underneath the pillow. The book is underneath the pillow. वह तुम्हारे पीछे खड़ा है. He is standing behind you. He is standing behind you. मैं इंटरव्यू दे देकर थक गया हूं. I am tired of giving interviews. I am tired of giving interviews. मैं उसे समझा कर थक गया हूं. I am tired of making him understand. I am tired of making him understand. उसे तुरंत जाने को कहो. Tell him to leave at once. Tell him to leave at once. मैं अकेला ही अच्छा हूं. I am better off alone. I am better off alone. उससे मेरा परिचय करवा दो. Introduce me to her. Introduce me to her. मैंने फालतू में ही उसकी मदद की. I helped him for nothing. I helped him for nothing. अब मेरे लिए यही एक रास्ता बचा है. Now there is only one way left for me. Now there is only one way left for me. मैं तुम्हारा मुंह तोड़ दूंगा. I will smash your face. I will smash your face. मैं तुम्हारा शुभचिंतक हूं. I am your well-wisher. I am your well-wisher. अब बचा ही क्या है? What is left now? What is left now? झूठे सबूत मत दो. Don't give false evidence. Don't give false evidence. वह रोने का नाटक कर रही है. She is pretending to cry. She is pretending to cry. सामान बांधने में मेरी मदद करो. Help me to pack the luggage. Help me to pack the luggage. इस तरफ आओ. Come this way. Come this way. बहुत समय से उसकी कोई खबर नहीं मिली. I haven't heard about him for a long time. I haven't heard about him for a long time. उस पर नजर रखना. Keep an eye on her. Keep an eye on her. मौसम अचानक खराब हो गया है. The weather has suddenly turned bad. The weather has suddenly turned bad. उसे अब अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave him alone now. Leave him alone now. मेहनत कभी बेकार नहीं जाती. Hard work never goes in vain. Hard work never goes in vain. उस दिन भगवान ने मुझे बचा लिया. God saved me that day. God saved me that day. तुम कुछ साबित नहीं कर सकते. You can't prove anything. You can't prove anything. मैं आपसे सलाह लेने आया हूं. I have come to seek your advice. I have come to seek your advice. तुम्हें इसके बारे में किसने बताया? Who told you about this? Who told you about this? वह कभी ऐसा काम नहीं करेगा. He will never do such work. He will never do such work. तुम वक्त की कीमत नहीं जानते. You don't realize the value of time. You don't realize the value of time. अब वो मेरा दोस्त नहीं है. He is no longer my friend. He is no longer my friend. उसने मुझे भरोसा दिलाया है. He has given me an assurance. He has given me an assurance. हर चीज का मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun of everything. Don't make fun of everything. यही वजह है कि मैं तुम्हें पैसे नहीं देता. That is why I don't give you money. That is why I don't give you money. वह बहुत सुस्त है. He is very sluggish. He is very sluggish. क्या आपको ऊंचा सुनता है? Are you hard of hearing? Are you hard of hearing? मुझे कुछ खाने के लिए लाकर दो. Bring me something to eat. Bring me something to eat. सीधे अपने घर जाओ. Go straight to your home. Go straight to your home. अपने से बड़ों की हमेशा इज्जत करो. Always respect your elders. Always respect your elders. मैं कभी कभी बहक जाता हूँ. Sometimes I get carried away. Sometimes I get carried away. वह ठीक मेरे सामने था. He was exactly in front of me. He was exactly in front of me. वो अलग बात है. मैंने कुछ नहीं देखा. That's a different matter. I did not see anything. That's a different matter. I didn't see anything. तुम तो पैदाइशी झूठे हो. You are a born liar. You are a born liar. लड़ने के लिए जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है. Life is too short to fight. Life is too short to fight. मेरी नजरों से दूर हो जाओ. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. बात को बढ़ाओ मत. Don't elongate the matter. Don't elongate the matter. मैं उसे काबू नहीं कर सका. I could not control him. I couldn't control him. अंग्रेजी मेरी समझ से परे है. English is Greek to me. English is Greek to me. अपनी गाड़ी यहां मत खड़ी करो. Don't park your car here. Don't park your car here. वह मन ही मन मुस्कुरा रही थी. She was inwardly smiling. She was inwardly smiling. कुछ चीजें हमारे बस में नहीं होती. Few things are not in our control. Few things are not in our control. मानना पड़ेगा तुम बहुत होशियार हो. I have to admit you are so clever. I have to admit you are so clever. क्या तुम इसे लेकर जा सकते हो? Can you take it away? Can you take it away? मुझे हर हाल में अंग्रेजी सीखनी है. I have to learn English by all means. I have to learn English by all means. भगवान तुम जैसा बेटा सबको दे. May God give everyone a son like you. May God give everyone a son like you. वह बेहद अंधविश्वासी है. He is extremely superstitious. He is extremely superstitious. वह मुश्किल से चल पाता है. He can hardly walk. He can hardly walk. दरवाजे पर अपने जूते उतार दो. Take off your shoes at the door. Take off your shoes at the door. अपने शब्द वापस लो. Take your words back. Take your words back. मैं अंग्रेजी में अच्छा हूं. I am good at English. I am good at English. उसको कार ने कुचल दिया. He was run over by a car. He was run over by a car. उसे मेरा इंतजार करने को कहो. Ask him to wait for me. Ask him to wait for me. हमें 3 घंटे सोने को मिलता है. We get to sleep for 3 hours. We get to sleep for 3 hours. यह सब तुम्हारी करतूत है. It's all your doing. It's all your doing. संगीत से मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I have nothing to do with music. I have nothing to do with music. अच्छा होगा तुम ज्यादा ना बोलो. You had better not speak much. You had better not speak much. बच्चे को मत मारो. Don't beat the child. Don't beat the child. जहां तक मेरा सवाल है मैं नहीं जाऊंगा. As far as I am concerned, I will not go. As far as I am concerned, I won't go. वह तुम्हारे जैसा दिखता है. He looks like you. He looks like you. इस बारे में तुम्हें मुझसे बात करनी चाहिए थी. You should have talked to me about this. You should have talked to me about this. घबराओ मत. Don't panic. Don't panic. तुमसे मतलब any concern to you. Any concern to you. अब हो गया. It's done now. It's done now. अपने आप पर काबू रखो. Control yourself. Control yourself. इसे अभी ठीक करो. Fix it now. Fix it now. कुछ तो लो. Have something. Have something. वो ढकोसला था. That was an eye wash. That was an eye wash. मैंने गड़बड़ कर दी. I messed up. I messed up. अब क्या करें? What to do now? What to do now? अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be done now. Nothing can be done now. कोई तो रास्ता होगा. There must be some way. There must be some way. यह फिजूल है. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. तुम ये क्या बात कर रहे हो? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? छोड़ो इस बात को. Leave alone this matter. Leave alone this matter. मैं उसे संभाल लूंगा. I will handle him. I will handle him. तुम्हें इसकी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी. You will have to pay for this. You will have to pay for this. इसकी तरफ से मैं माफी मांगता हूं. I apologize on his behalf. I apologize on his behalf. तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be done with you. Nothing can be done with you. तुम्हारा आखिरी फैसला क्या है? What is your final decision? What is your final decision? केवल पैसे देने से काम नहीं चलेगा. Just giving money will not work. Just giving money will not work. अब तुम बच्चे नहीं हो. You are not a kid anymore. You are not a kid anymore. मैं उसे सबक सिखाऊंगा. I will teach him a lesson. I will teach him a lesson. मैं तुम्हें बहुत झेल चुका हूं. I have had enough of you. I have had enough of you. इससे तुम्हारा कोई लेना देना नहीं है. It has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with you. अगर मैं पकड़ा जाता तो? What if I had been caught? What if I had been caught? यह किसका विचार है? Whose idea is this? Whose idea is this? आधा घंटा हो गया है. It's been an hour. It's been an hour. किसकी सुनूं मैं? To whom should I listen? To whom should I listen? अपने आंसू पोंछो. Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears. मैं तुम्हें घर ले जाने आया हूं. I have come to take you home. I have come to take you home. मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं है. I am not in a hurry. I am not in a hurry. थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ. Stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. मेरा जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा. I don't feel like going. I don't feel like going. तुमने ये पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell it earlier? Why didn't you tell it earlier? वह घर से कब गया था? When did he leave home? When did he leave home? अपनी आवाज नीचे करो. Keep your voice down. Keep your voice down. हम वहीं जा रहे हैं. That's where we are going. That's where we are going. हमारी अच्छी बनती है. We get along well. We get along well. तुम्हारा तरीका गलत था. Your method was wrong. Your method was wrong. उसको लाना मत भूलना. Do not forget to bring him. Don't forget to bring him. मैं तो तुम्हें जानता तक नहीं. I don't even know you. I don't even know you. चलो बाद में बात करते हैं. Let's talk later. Let's talk later. तुम कब फ्री हो जाओगे? When will you be free? When will you be free? वह तुम्हें कैसे जानता है? How does he know you? How does he know you? क्या मुझे तुम्हारा फोन नंबर मिल सकता है? Can I get your phone number? Can I get your phone number? क्या ये तुमने लिखा है? Have you written this? Have you written this? मुझे उसका नंबर भेज दो. Send me her number. Send me her number. अभी ऑनलाइन आओ. Come online now. Come online now. क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकता हूं? Can I have your name? Can I have your name? खाना खाकर मुझसे बात करना. Talk to me after having food. Talk to me after having food. मुझे अपने आप पर भरोसा है. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. वह तुम्हारा मजाक उड़ा रहा है. He is making fun of you. He is making fun of you. मैं तुम्हारा क्या लगता हूं? Who am I to you? Who am I to you? मुझे तुमसे कुछ कहना है. I want to say something to you. I want to say something to you. क्या मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले सकता हूं? Can I take a day off? Can I take a day off? क्या कुछ गड़बड़ है? Is there anything wrong? Is there anything wrong? मैं पक्का आऊंगा. I will come for sure. I will come for sure. उसने मेरा मूड खराब कर दिया. He spoiled my mood. He spoiled my mood. मैं आज बहुत थका हुआ हूं. I am exhausted today. I am exhausted today. हम सब जा रहे हैं. All of us are going. All of us are going. वह आने वाली है. She is about to come. She is about to come. मुझे घूमने का शौक है. I am fond of traveling. I am fond of traveling. मेरे मुद्दों से दूर रहो. Stay away from my matters. Stay away from my matters. बुरा मत मानो. Don't get offended. Don't get offended. मैं कभी पैसे उधार नहीं देता. I never lend money. I never lend money. हम एक ही कक्षा में पढ़ते थे. We were in the same class. We were in the same class. तुम बेवजह परेशान हो रहे हो. You are stressing out for no reason. You are stressing out for no reason. आमने सामने बात करो मुझसे. Talk face to face with me. Talk face to face with me. उसने मुझे बुरी तरह से डरा दिया. He scared the hell out of me. He scared the hell out of me. तुम नहा क्यों नहीं लेते? Why don't you take a shower? Why don't you take a shower? उसे साफ साफ मना कर दो. Give him a flat refusal. Give him a flat refusal. उसने आज कितना मुनाफा कमाया? How much profit did he make today? How much profit did he make today? तुमने मेरा फोन क्यों नहीं उठाया? Why didn't you pick up my call? Why didn't you pick up my call? मैं बाथरूम में था. I was in the bathroom. I was in the bathroom. मेरा फोन साइलेंट मोड पर था. My phone was on silent mode. My phone was on silent mode. तुम बाद में नहीं बता सकते थे. Could you not tell it later? Could you not tell it later? मैं 2 महीने से तैयारी कर रहा हूं. I have been preparing for 2 months. I have been preparing for 2 months. मैं खुद कर लूंगा ये काम. I'll do it myself. I will do it myself. मोबाइल चार्ज पर लगा दो. Put the mobile on charge. Put the mobile on charge. चलो घूमकर आते हैं. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. मैं तुमसे तंग आ चुका हूं. I am fed up with you. I am fed up with you. उसने मेरे साथ बहुत गलत किया. He really did wrong to me. He really did wrong to me. तुम इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकती हो? How could you be so irresponsible? How could you be so irresponsible? वह रंगे हाथों पकड़ा गया. He was caught red-handed. He was caught red-handed. तुम कल पार्टी में क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you show up at party yesterday? Why didn't you show up at party yesterday? मुझे कभी कम मत समझना. Don't ever underestimate me. Don't ever underestimate me. वे लोग अब यहां नहीं रहते. They don't live here anymore. They don't live here anymore. किसी ने तुम्हारा नाम नहीं लिया. No one took your name. No one took your name. मैं आज सुबह जल्दी जगा. I woke up early this morning. I woke up early this morning. मुझे यहीं उतार दो. Drop me off here. Drop me off here. उसने गुब्बारा फोड़ दिया. He popped the balloon. He popped the balloon. एक बार मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me once. Look at me once. क्या उससे तुम्हारी कोई दुश्मनी है? Do you have any enmity with him? Do you have any enmity with him? मैं आटा गूंथ रही हूं. I am kneading the dough. I am kneading the dough. लाइट चली गई. The power went off. The power went off. तुम्हारी परवरिश अच्छी हुई है. You have had a good upbringing. You have had a good upbringing. मुझे अभी भी नींद आ रही है. I am still feeling sleepy. I am still feeling sleepy. बेहतर होगा कि तुम मेरी बात सुनो. You had better listen to me. You had better listen to me. मैं थोड़ी देर में आता हूं. I come in a while. I come in a while. मुझसे गर्मी सहन नहीं होती. I can't stand heat. I can't stand heat. उसने ये जानबूझकर किया. He did it on purpose. He did it on purpose. मैं तुम्हारी हरकतों से तंग आ गया हूं. I am tired of your antics. I am tired of your antics. मुझ पर हुक्म मत चलाओ. Don't boss me around. Don't boss me around. तुम नहीं. Not you. Not you. इधर आओ. Come here. Come here. दूर जाओ. Go away. Go away. समझ आया. Got it. Got it. दूर रहो. Stay away. Stay away. रुको जरा. Wait a little. Wait a little. कोई बात नहीं. It's fine. It's fine. पहले आप. First you. First you. आपके बाद. After you. After you. थोड़ा हटो. Move a bit. Move a bit. चलें क्या? Shall we go? Shall we go? तुम्हारे बिना. Without you. Without you. बिल्कुल नहीं. No way. No way. जल्द ही. Soon. Soon. बजाय की. Instead. Instead. फिर भी. However. However. वही तो. That's what. That's what. क्यों नहीं? Why not? Why not? दोबारा नहीं. Not again. Not again. कौन सा? Which one? Which one? ये लो. Take it. Take it. अभी तक नहीं. Not yet. Not yet. लिखो इसे. Write it down. Write it down. मेरे लिए. For me. For me. दिन ब दिन. Day by day. Day by day. अब कहाँ? Now where? Now where? मेरे बराबर में. Beside me. beside me, अभी भी, even now, even now, और क्या, what else, what else, बहुत बुरा, too bad, too bad, सीधे जाओ, go straight, go straight, रुको मत, don't stop, don't stop, मुझे बताओ, tell me, tell me, किसके लिए, for whom, for whom, अकेले नहीं, not alone, not alone, ये वाला, this one, this one, वो वाला, that one, that one, जल्दी करो, do it fast, do it fast, रहने दो, forget it, forget it, कूदो मत, don't jump, don't jump, तुम्हारी बारी, your turn, your turn, कोशिश करो, try it, try it, सीधे खड़े रहो, stand still, stand still, सीधे होकर बैठो, sit upright, sit upright, हमेशा के लिए, forever, forever, वहां पर, over there, over there, यहां पर, over here, over here, इसीलिए, that's why, that's why, लेकिन क्यों, but why, but why, अभी नहीं, not now, not now, कभी कभी, sometimes, sometimes, मैं भी, me too, me too, रास्ते में, on the way, on the way, कार चलाओ, drive the car, drive the car, मत जाओ, don't go, don't go, दिन और रात, day and night, day and night, तैयार रहो, be ready, be ready, मेरे पीछे, behind me, behind me, मेरे अलावा, besides me, besides me, जैसे तैसे, somehow, somehow, तो क्या, then what, then what, कभी नहीं, never, never, जरूर, certainly, certainly, लगे रहो, carry on, carry on, हमारे लिए, for us, for us, किसने कहा, who said, who said, आमतौर पर, normally, normally, गंभीर बनो, be serious, be serious, धीमे बोलो, speak slowly, speak slowly, भरोसा रखो, rest assured, rest assured, सीधे जाना, go straight, go straight, क्या हुआ, what happened, what happened, मस्ती करो, have fun, have fun, भागो मत, don't run, don't run, कौन जाएगा, Who will go? Who will go? झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Don't lie. एक बार फिर. Once more. Once more. ये लीजिए. Here it is. Here it is. बाहर निकलो. Get out. Get out. आगे आओ. Come in front. Come in front. धीरे चलो. Slow down. Slow down. चिल्लाओ मत. Don't yell. Don't yell. घंटी बजाओ. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. माफी मत मांगो. Don't apologize. Don't apologize. घर पर रहो. Stay at home. Stay at home. देरी मत करना. Don't be late. Don't be late. इसे नीचे रखो. Put it down. Put it down. आस पास रहना. Stay close by. Stay close by. इस तरफ आओ. Come this way. Come this way. लगता तो है. It seems so. It seems so. थूको मत. Don't spit. Don't spit. कोई हैरानी की बात नहीं. No wonder. No wonder. घुटनों पर बैठ जाओ. Kneel down. Kneel down. हाथ ऊपर करो. Hands up. Hands up. अंदर झांको मत. Don't peep in. Don't peep in. इतना नहीं. Not this much. Not this much. आराम से खड़े हो जाओ. Stand at ease. Stand at ease. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Let's start now. Let's start now. मेरे पीछे दोहराओ. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. कोशिश तो करो. At least try. At least try. तुम सीख जाओगे. You will learn. You will learn. मेरी बात पक्की है. Mark my words. Mark my words. जीत तुम्हारी होगी. Victory will be yours. Victory will be yours. हार मत मानो. Don't give up. Don't give up. मुझे देखने दो. Let me see. Let me see. यह झूठ है. It's a lie. It's a lie. ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. मेरे साथ रहो. Stay with me. Stay with me. जितना जल्दी संभव हो. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not at all. Not at all. जो तुम चाहो. Whatever you want. Whatever you want. जब तुम कहो. Whenever you say. Whenever you say. पता है क्या. You know what. You know what. ये मत करो. Don't do it. Don't do it. यहां ठहरो. Stay here. Stay here. मेरी मदद करे. Help me. हेल्प मी। मेरे साथ आओ, कम विद मी, कम विद मी। ये पाप है, इट्स अ सिन, इट्स अ सिन। भाड़ में जाओ, गो टू हेल, गो टू हेल। क्या ये प्यार है? इज इट लव, इज इट लव। धैर्य रखो, हैव पेशेंस, हैव पेशेंस। अपने आसपास देखो, लुक अराउंड योर सेल्फ, लुक अराउंड योर सेल्फ। वह समझ गया, ही अंडरस्टूड, ही अंडरस्टूड। ले लीजिए ना, हैव इट प्लीज, हैव इट प्लीज। बहुत हो गया, इट्स इनफ, इट्स इनफ। मैं तुमसे नाराज हूं, आई एम अपसेट विद यू, आई एम अपसेट विद यू। मैं तुमसे गुस्सा हूं, आई एम एंग्री विद यू, आई एम एंग्री विद यू। वह पहुंच गया है, ही हैज अराइव्ड, ही हैज अराइव्ड। तुम जा सकते हो, यू मे लीव, यू मे लीव। मुझे भी जाना है, आई टू हैव टू गो, आई टू हैव टू गो। बारिश होने वाली है, इट इज अबाउट टू रेन, इट इज अबाउट टू रेन। कपड़े भीग गए, द क्लोथ्स गॉट वेट, द क्लोथ्स गॉट वेट। कपड़े बाहर सुखा दो, पुट द क्लोथ्स आउट टू ड्राई, पुट द क्लोथ्स आउट टू ड्राई। जूतों को पॉलिश कर दो, पॉलिश द शूज, पॉलिश द शूज। अपनी कमीज उतारो, टेक ऑफ योर शर्ट, टेक ऑफ योर शर्ट। कपड़ों को इस्त्री कर दो, आयरन द क्लोथ्स, आयरन द क्लोथ्स। अपने दांत साफ करो, ब्रश योर टीथ, ब्रश योर टीथ। क्या मेरे चेहरे पर कुछ है? इज देयर समथिंग ऑन माई फेस, इज देयर समथिंग ऑन माई फेस। मुझे मत डराओ, डोंट स्केयर मी, डोंट स्केयर मी। मैं डरा हुआ नहीं हूं, आई एम नॉट स्केयर्ड, आई एम नॉट स्केयर्ड। मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आई डोंट केयर एट ऑल, आई डोंट केयर एट ऑल। तुम बहुत भोले हो, यू आर टू इनोसेंट, यू आर टू इनोसेंट। क्या तुमने उसे सच बताया? डिड यू टेल हर द ट्रूथ, डिड यू टेल हर द ट्रूथ। सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है, द ट्रूथ इज ऑलवेज बिटर, द ट्रूथ इज ऑलवेज बिटर। मुझसे अब और सहन नहीं होता, आई कांट टेक इट एनी मोर, आई कैन नॉट टेक इट एनी मोर। मुझे उसकी बहुत याद आती है, आई मिस हर अ लॉट, आई मिस हर अ लॉट। क्या मैं एक बार तुमसे मिल सकता हूं? कैन आई मीट यू वंस, कैन आई मीट यू वंस। मुझे आज कहीं जाना है, आई हैव टू गो समवेयर टुडे, आई हैव टू गो समवेयर टुडे। इन सब में मुझे मत घसीटो, डोंट ड्रैग मी इनटू ऑल दिस, Don't drag me into all this. क्या तुमने अपनी दवाई ली? Did you take your medicine? Did you take your medicine? मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं है. I don't remember anything at all. I don't remember anything at all. वह जानबूझकर मना कर रहा है. He is denying deliberately. He is denying deliberately. इसमें चिल्लाने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to shout? What is there to shout? वह किताब पढ़ते पढ़ते सो गया. He slept while reading. He slept while reading. वह अचानक गायब हो गया. He disappeared all of a sudden. He disappeared all of a sudden. सुनने में ये अजीब लगता है. It sounds weird. It sounds weird. क्या तुम मुझे घर छोड़ दोगे? Will you drop me home? Will you drop me home? वह बदला जरूर लेगा. He will take revenge for sure. He will take revenge for sure. तुम मुझे ये पहले बता सकते थे. You could have told me this before. You could have told me this before. उसे भड़काओ मत. Don't provoke him. Don't provoke him. बस जाने वाली है. The bus is about to leave. The bus is about to leave. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में ही सोच रहा था. I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. मैं ऑफिस के लिए लेट हो रहा हूं. I am getting late for the office. I am getting late for the office. मैंने नाश्ता बना दिया है. I have prepared the breakfast. I have prepared the breakfast. आज बारिश होने की संभावना है. It is likely to rain today. It is likely to rain today. अब भी बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. It is still drizzling. It is still drizzling. ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. मैं अब कुछ नहीं कर सकता. I can't do anything now. I can't do anything now. तुम्हें ये पहले बताना चाहिए था. You should have told it earlier. You should have told it earlier. मैं भी यही कहने वाला था. I was about to say the same thing. I was about to say the same thing. काश मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकता. I wish I could help you. I wish I could help you. ये तुमने कहाँ से खरीदा? Where did you buy it from? Where did you buy it from? कौन हो सकता है? Who could it be? Who could it be? मेरा तुमसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I have nothing to do with you. I have nothing to do with you. तुम इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो? How could you be so careless? How could you be so careless? ये सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ है. It is all because of you. It is all because of you. तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? मुझे लगता है कि मैं कुछ भूल गया. I think I forgot something. I think I forgot something. मुझसे पंगा मत ले. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. मैं तुम्हारा काम करवा दूंगा. I will get your job done. I will get your job done. वह बकवास बातें कर रहा है. He is talking nonsense. He is talking nonsense. तुम ये सब क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing all this? Why are you doing all this? कुछ तो होने वाला है. Something is about to happen. Something is about to happen. अरे नहीं, ये मैंने क्या कर दिया? Oh no, what have I done? Oh no, what have I done? अब मैं तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I will not spare you now. I won't spare you now. मुझे तुम्हारी फिक्र है. I care about you. I care about you. मेरे साथ ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. ये हमेशा मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? Why does it always happen to me? Why does it always happen to me? मैं ये क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा हूं? Why am I not able to do this? Why am I not able to do this? वह मुझसे मिलने आया था. He came to meet me. He came to meet me. क्या मैंने कोई गलती की? Did I make a mistake? Did I make a mistake? मैं सारी रात नहीं सो सका. I couldn't sleep all night. I couldn't sleep all night. वह तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकता. He can't live without you. He can't live without you. उसे जाने मत दो. Don't let him go. Don't let him go. मैं कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ. I want to say something. I want to say something. अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now? क्या तुम्हें कभी प्यार हुआ है? Have you ever fallen in love? Have you ever fallen in love? तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता. I can't say anything. I can't say anything. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो. Focus on your studies. Focus on your studies. पहले खुद के लिए नौकरी ढूंढ लो. Find yourself a job first. Find yourself a job first. मेरे फोन की बैटरी खत्म होने वाली है. My phone's battery is about to die. My phone's battery is about to die. इसमें रोने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to cry? What is there to cry? कुछ सही नहीं लग रहा है. Something doesn't feel right. Something doesn't feel right. तुम कल रात कहाँ सोए? Where did you sleep last night? Where did you sleep last night? मुझे और इंतज़ार मत करवाओ. Don't make me wait anymore. Don't make me wait anymore. मैं अपना सब्र खो रहा हूँ. I am losing my patience. I am losing my patience. जल्दबाजी में फैसला मत लो. Don't make hasty decisions. Don't make hasty decisions. चाय ठंडी हो रही है. The tea is getting cold. The tea is getting cold. वापस काम पर लग जाओ. Get back to work. Get back to work. मेरे रास्ते में आना बंद करो. Stop getting in my way. Stop getting in my way. अब तुम्हारी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. You are not required now. You are not required now. घर पर सब कैसे हैं? How is everyone at home? How is everyone at home? ये सब तैयारियां किसने की? Who made all the arrangements? Who made all the arrangements? काश तुम आज मेरे पास होते. I wish you would be with me today. I wish you would be with me today. सिर्फ यादें रह गई हैं. Only memories are left. Only memories are left. मैं तुम्हारे बिना अधूरा हूँ. I am incomplete without you. I am incomplete without you. मैं आखिरी सांस तक तुम्हारा इंतज़ार करूँगा. I will wait for you till my last breath. I will wait for you till my last breath. अच्छा होगा तुम मुझे भूल जाओ. You had better forget me. You had better forget me. ये तुम्हारा फैसला था, मेरा नहीं. It was your decision, not mine. It was your decision, not mine. तुमने सब बर्बाद कर दिया. You ruined everything. You ruined everything. मैं तुम्हें कभी माफ नहीं करूँगा. I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you. तुम्हें भी अपनी जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. You should also move on in your life. You should also move on in your life.